Man, this one for the ones who copped the album and they ain't need a receipt. All the internet plumbers, you know, looking for the leaks. Been trying to find middle ground like yellow lines in the street. The show is just getting started. Don't worry, man, take a seat.
What's up, guys? It's Details from Deathens. Honestly, if you guys don't recognize me, I'm sorry. I haven't posted anything because, you know, I get grounded a lot and I get lazy. So I decided today I'm going to put my foot down and I'm going to record. Anyways, the point of this video is just to tell you guys what I think the best exotic weapons are in Destiny. Specifically 5 of them. If none of your favorite exotic weapons make it into the list, please put them in the comments and maybe we'll like redo this video just for you, dude. I'm not being sarcastic. You guys really mean everything to us. So if you guys want us to make a specific video, we'll make it. Because I mean, the whole point of this channel is to help out you guys. So why wouldn't we make it? Like, really. Keep in mind that none of these are in order. They're just 5 really good exotic weapons, dude. Number 1, it's probably one of the best snipers in the game. The sniper's good for everything, dude. It's the Black Spindle, which is a year 2 version of the Black Hammer. Keep in mind that all these weapons are year 2, because, I mean, everybody knows year 2 is better than year 1. I mean, if you don't know that, you should probably not be playing Destiny right now. You should probably just go back to Call of Duty like everybody else in the world. But, I mean, I'll leave my Call of Duty opinion for another video. Coming in at number 2 and 3 is the Ace of Spades and the Hawkmoon. These are 2 freaking OP as crap hand cannons, which are good for, like I said, like all these guns are good for everything. Anything you could name, all these guns are good for, dude. I mean, if you don't have these guns, you're a loser, okay? I'm just kidding. You're not a loser. I mean, you're watching freaking Deathens. Everybody who watches Deathens is freaking Biller, dude. Alright, I gotta move on. Number 3 is a Zalo Supercell. Honestly, this is probably one of the only good auto rifles in the whole freaking game, because auto rifles honestly suck in Destiny. Bungie should probably do something about that, because every auto rifle sucks, honestly. I have not found an auto rifle that I like, but this, I can have an exception for it, okay? This gun is actually designed after a Russian military gun called the AK-74. I think that's cool because, I mean, like, you can literally Google the weapon and you can see what it looks like in real life and you can see how it shoots in real life, and then you compare it to the video game and it's just like, why would I shoot it in real life? I could just shoot it in Destiny. I don't know. I just think it's cool that you can, like, see the gun in real life and watch it shoot in real life. It's freaking cool. This video went by quick. It's already number 5, the Touch of Malice. This is actually a gun that Wensful is grinding for right now. Anyways, this scout rifle is just really good for everything. Like all these guns are just good for everything. Raids, everything. PvP, PvE. If you guys enjoyed, please leave a like, because I really appreciate that. I mean, the whole point of this YouTube channel is for you guys. If you guys have any more video ideas that you'd like us to do, please comment them below. And we would honestly probably do them, because I mean, why not? This whole point of this YouTube channel, like I said, is for you guys. So we would obviously do it just for you. Like I said though, just leave a like, because we really appreciate it. And I'll see you guys later.
It's better than the Grammys. On the phone with my dad trying to handle what's out of hand. Reminiscing, we used to play 5-on-5, no hand in hands, ballin'. Funny man what all those times meant to us. Girls asking why they call me big, that shit ambiguous.